Happy Easter and happy third Gospel Festival. Please enjoy and experience the Edo period of Japan on this event. They have an
Oh, we won't be able to see the costume very well. It's okay.
It was the 1920s. All right, then make a snicker bar for you. You wouldn't be doing it for right now. But thank you for showing me. That's radio. What is that? Ask questions. Here we are. Japantown, welcome to the Annual Cherry Blossom Festival Grand Parade.
It's good that they got a whole bunch of plastic over them.
Yeah, but it's kind of ugly.
I know, but it's good that they said just in case, let's have some.
Toyota, Nissan.
Or maybe they just went quickly to buy them.
I guess they don't want the costumes to get wet.
Yeah, they're probably very expensive costumes. It will make them appreciate the sun next year. See all the preschools.
That's cute.
They look Japanese to me.
Like Southeast Asian.
Oh, okay.
Not Chinese. It's Southeast Asian. Somewhere in there.
They're probably mixed.
I think it's American. It's like
A few Americans, yeah, a few Americans.
they have the American flag on their uniform, so maybe it's some military thing.
Maybe the Coast Guard.
Yeah.
ABC Preschool is founded in 1980 in the classroom of Pine United Methodist Church in the Richmond district here in San Francisco.
Fire department, I think.
Bilingual preschool. At ABC Preschool, the goal is for their students to grow in a loving, balanced environment, harmonizing both the mind and body. And their sister school
Sam.
Yeah, the fire department.
Yeah, it's
is for kindergarten.
I'm glad I have a good spot.
Yeah. It's actually a really good view. No rain, no crowd.
Here it is, fire department.
Celebrating their 102nd
sun isn't there.
in March. Troop 12 developing and preparing youth from ages 11 to 18 to become young men by teaching the kids valuable leadership.
Those are rescue dogs.
And now, the San Francisco Fire Department and Fire Chief Joanne Hayes White.
Chief, welcome again. Chief Joanne White.
Thank you so much on behalf of the San Francisco Fire Department and Reserves. Once again, we love to participate in the Cherry Blossom Festival. We're very honored to have President Ken Cleveland and our Vice President, who served as Comanche for over 40 years and is retired, Steve DeConjo, and President Ken Cleveland. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you, Chief. As President of the Commission, it's my honor to serve on the Commission and to serve the citizens of San Francisco, including the citizens of the Japanese American community. It's my honor to be here today. Thank you. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you. And your service.
Stick with your words.
Thank you, Joyce. Welcome everybody to the Cherry Blossom 50th anniversary.
Really good.
For 50 years in the Cherry Blossom Festival, but I am talking about the Cherry Blossom Festival. Thank you.
Steve, in addition to all his many years as the executive director of Comanche, in 1988, Steve served as general chairman of the Cherry Blossom Festival. Thanks for all you do, Steve. The
Congratulations.
San Francisco Fire Department. States, the goal of the TGAC and its membership are to encourage and promote clothing in the breeding of purebred Akitas, and do all in their power to protect and advance the interests of Akitas by promoting the new African breed to breeders and the method and will share their knowledge with the San Francisco.
Thank you, Lincoln High. And now, please congratulate and welcome the scholarship recipients, Cherry Blossom Service Club.
Shibas.
Those are a breed of Japanese dogs.
Yeah.
The Senior Appreciation Punch honorees.
I heard they're very expensive because
Apparently, yeah.
they are very smart.
They were honored this morning at the Kabuki Hotel with Robert Honda of NBC 11
I think last year was like 4,000, but you know, some people don't care. If they have a smart dog, they don't mind.
Honor Society. George Washington High School from the Richmond District right here in San Francisco.
Two years ago, they had a dog contest.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
With Shibas?
Chewy was in it too. Our dog. Yeah, but he didn't win, but there was a lot of winners. It was best costume, best look-alike, best.
All right, George, next up.
I forgot what the categories were, but it was a big turnout because a lot of people here have dogs.
Unlike the Akita, the Shiba is the smallest of the native dog breeds from Japan and was originally bred to flesh out birds and small game and parade commentators from Russia. The Shiba Inu Fanciers of Northern California is a licensed AKC club that was formed in 1998 to protect and advance the interests of the registered Shiba Inu dog. SFNC shares their love for the breed by encouraging good sportsmanship at all events and educating the public with hands-on demonstrations. For more information about Shiba and their club, go to www.sfnc.org. Welcome, Shibas.
From Tokyo, the International Culture School. Juri Kitoi is a 12-layer kimono known for its intricacies and elegance. The current form is developed after Francisco Queen and Court, and the Los Angeles Queen and Court. And this is the Northern California Cherry Blossom Festival Queen and Court includes Queen Samantha Wales, First Princess Melissa Morrison, and Princesses Janice Rose Cash, Nicole Yomi Brianna Mayumi Ino Shiba, and Queen Tomodachi Award winner Kyla Kamioka, and Princess Mona Melissa Kawai. Linda Okamura, ladies and gentlemen. And the 2016 Nisei Week Court, Queen Jacqueline Torita, First Princess Megan Ono, Miss Tomodachi, Junior Tan, Princess Kaya Minezaki, Princess Shannon Sumaki, Princess...
No, those are the ones that went by.
Princesses?
Some of them, yeah.
This vlog is sponsored by...
I don't think Japan has even that many princesses.
A full-service bank with...
They do have beauty contests.
Oh, is that what it is? That's why they call them princesses?
Probably.
Okay, I thought it was actually from the royal family. Do they even have this
and
many
wealth
princesses?
management solutions to meet the needs of customers. And they've been a loyal supporter of the Cherry Blossom Festival since its joined the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in 1982.
That's the one that just went by. Because
community events, especially the Cherry Blossom Festival, and we'd like to ask Council General Nevada for a few words.
Thank you. Congratulations on this wonderful tradition stretching for half a century. And today we managed to be behind the ring. So thank you very much for your attendance and let's enjoy this special day.
Council General June Yamada. Thank you, Yale University. Majoring in engineering, George. Mr. Govino, a few words, please.
Thank you very much for joining us on 50th anniversary of Cherry Blossom Festival. We are very glad to be here, and we expect to see
Qualified driver of Mr. and Mrs. Tomita's automobile is the legendary Junko Nakagawa.
And completed her master's at University of San Francisco. Before serving on the board as supervisor, President Lee served as the director of African American Art and Culture Complex in District 5 for 10 years. 1911, 26 years ago. The main focus is our Odori, a traditional dance from Tokushima Prefecture on Shikoku Island.
Shoko Yamada of Yamasho and Izumiya restaurants, two of the leading Japanese restaurants in San Francisco. Izumiya is located right here in the music video. A few words to see Yamada. Thank you.
Japan Video and Media, established in East. That's right, they love themselves and they promote Japanese culture through videos, DVDs, and other media formats. In 1999, they had more young people involved in the Cherry Blossom Festival Parade. Japan Video and Media became the first in the United States to organize anime cosplay participants and has continued to participate ever since. Let's vote. UBC is sponsored by the Japanese Chamber of Commerce of Northern California. The primary purpose of the JCC of Northern California is to promote business between Japan and the United States to cultivate mutual understanding and friendship between its members. Welcome.
Let's see. Can you speak to that mask? Yes, I can.
with a sense of humor.
Earthquake and tsunami that destroyed the Japantown region. Shiba, Michael Group persevered and continued to play numerous festivals throughout the world to demonstrate difference.
Hello everybody, my name is Steve. Congratulations on having your 58th year celebration. I'm proud to be here. To represent 30 years Grand Marshal. I am originally from Hawaii. I've been living in Japan for the past 35 years. And thank you. Very proud to represent the Royal Bond State of Hawaii that my family went down representing Japan in many events around the world. So thank you for having me.
Here's the queen.
And was performed by the group during the first years of the Grand Parade.
Naga Sensei, established in over 60 years ago, with the hope of sharing an aspect of Japanese culture in the United States. She would have been absolutely beaming with pride knowing of the group's participation at this historical occasion. The Nihon Minyo Munyo Renmei is honored to take part in commemorating the Northern California Cherry Blossom Festival's 50th year celebration. Please welcome them, Nihon Minyo Munyo Renmei.